Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I'm going to build this 1970 Pontiac Firebird from Revell. It is a 124 scale kit, skill level 4 it says, and it is kit number 85. I can't make it out there, hold on. Let's see if it'll focus. 85-4489. Picked this one up at Hobby Lobby when they had one of their 40% off sales, so it was okay priced. And I've got everything laid out here. I forgot to start the video before I did this, but all I've done is take the parts out, and I'm going to get ready to prep it and build it. Alright, see you in a minute. Thanks. And progress is moving right along on the 70 Firebird. I got some decals in there for seat belts and your shifter indicator, little ashtray, chassis all put together. I've got one more shock absorber to put in on the rear, and the green body right there is coming along nice. I did have a little bit of fitment issue with the rear spoiler and the front end, and on the front end I used a little bit of body putty and filled in some gaps and things like that and got the alignment set up. And then here's some miscellaneous parts that are waiting to be put in. There's the dashboard with all the decals in there. I mean, really, each gauge and everything was separate, and really if they just printed one big piece it would have been a whole lot better and easier. But whatever, you know, got them in minimal difficulty. So coming along nice. Here are the wheels, which I think are just absolutely beautiful. Can't wait to see those all set up and on the vehicle. Well, that's the update. I got a feeling the next section will be the complete model. Thanks again, and I'll see you in a minute. Just wanted to jump in real quick here. For all you guys that say you don't need to pre-wash your parts before you paint them, well, here's the reason why you should. Right here is gloss black, and look at all the bubbles right there from the paint, because I forgot to wash the body. I was so excited about getting this kit built that I didn't wash my parts off, and here the paint is all kind of goofy and bubbling up. Not really bubbling, it's separating and not adhering to the plastic where there was still some mold release on there. And all along the back there, I don't know if you can see it on the muffler, it didn't come out right, along with the leaf spring section there. The light's not really hitting it real good for you. Okay, that's because I forgot to pre-wash it. So you can do what you want, but I'm telling you, you get a lot less headaches if you do it that way. Okie dokie. Back in a minute. Yeah, that one's in the books, folks. 1970 Pontiac Firebird. This kit here was a little bit of challenge. I mean, some viewers had said that the fitment on the spoiler and the front end were an issue, and it definitely was. I thank you for the heads up on that. Again, though, I messed up and I forgot to wash the body. So the paint did not stick properly, so it's runned a little bit down on the bottom there. Camera doesn't really pick it up, but it didn't come out as nice as I'd like. It's a beautiful green. It actually looks lighter on camera than it does in person. But other than that, it was a pleasure to build, as far as I can remember now. I spent about a day and a half building this one. It's one of my favorite cars, favorite body styles. I like the wheels. The pad printed tires are a very nice bonus. There's a shot of the interior. But that's all she wrote on that one. Let's see if I can pick it up and give you a shot of the bottom. Bottom's pretty decent. And then under the hood, Hood's a little hard to open on this one. Here, hold on a sec. There you go. There's under the hood. That was it. I want to thank you all for stopping by. And have yourselves a great day. We'll catch you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.